welcome back to ZAPVI. A little different camera today because my phone is not recording. So today we are going to do an unboxing for my new phone VIVO Y19 phone cover, which I ordered from ZAPVI. Okay, I got it at a very discounted price. So with that, let me reveal it to you all. First of all, cut this off. Yeah, and I did quarantine this, of course, from the time it came. Not opening it so soon. I think it's a day or two. Hope all of you are doing fine out there. Some rough days which we are going through, but whatever happens, happens. So let's open it, and it looks amazing. It's a military color. Actually, I ordered blue, but it looks kind of same. Hopefully, it fits my phone. The most scariest part. Time to remove this off. Thank you, my dear. Ready-made phone cover, which is the cheapest, and you get it by default. And let's fit this guy in. A perfect fit and amazing look. It feels amazing to touch, also smooth, and it's a perfect fit for my phone. It gives it an amazing look, as if you can see it. It looks kind of great, and I'm loving it. Yeah, it's smooth, but it's that rough that it stays in your grip too, and it feels nice. It's a slide-in type compared to this was a fit-in, so you can see this is free and this has to be compared to my normal one, which is it gets covered on top. Beautiful. I loved it. Looks amazing and nice. So this is the unboxing of VIVO Y19 military color blue, navy blue, I think so, or military. But it looks great for my phone, which is a blue cover. Order from ZAPVI, not sponsored. And yep, it's great. 5 to 7 working days. I got it for 99 rupees plus 60 rupees shipping, which is not that bad. So a great phone cover, loved it, beautiful. Thank you guys for watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos coming up. A new series coming up soon, which you all are going to enjoy. Thank you. Stay tuned. Goodbye.